Hi, I'm Dr. Aparna Santhanam, Head of Medical Operations at Kaya.
I'm Dr. Veena Praveen, Head Medical South.
Hi, Dr. Veena. So I wanted to talk to you today about MCT. This is a new technology that we're bringing in Metacell Plasma. So what is your reaction to it? Are you excited about it?
Yeah.
Because we're going to be launching it in Bangalore. So I'd love to hear what you think about it.
I'm super thrilled to have MCT here. So the full form of it is Metacell technology. Over here, this technology basically helps in hair growth. It uses thermal energy and light energy. This enhances the regenerative properties of our autologous material like PRP. Now, this is the first autosomal exosomes launched, and we are very happy to have it for the first time in Kaya. So it also, the company says 3 sessions are good enough. So we are happy to have this over here. And secondly, it is a first FDA approved exosomes that we are going to have. And the first technology which has double the regenerative properties. One is the exosome themselves, and another thing is, it also has regenerative PRP also. So Dr. Aparna, what is your opinion about MCT?
So, Dr. Veena, as you know, I'm very excited that we're bringing this technology into Kaya because we've always at Kaya been at the cutting edge of technology. We want to bring in pioneering treatments. And this is the first time that autologous exosome through MCT is going to be launched in India. I'm also very excited because this will take our entire hair growth vertical into a new space, because not only do we have something that uses the power of your own body and your own exosomes, but it also works across different ages, right? You can use it in men for male hair loss, you can use it for women, you can use it for younger populations, also for older populations, because it works on your own regeneration. What is very exciting to me also from, a cultural perspective is that it is one of the safest treatments that you can bring in, and it's one of its kind where it's FDA approved for autologous exosomes. And purely from a business perspective, there's very rarely a treatment which works for everyone. This is a treatment that works even very, very well when you're young, because already your exosomes are working well for you, but it also works well as you grow older. So female pattern hair loss, which comes along with menopause, or the amount of thinning that we're seeing in younger people today because of stress that is there, it will work for everyone. It also gives the doctor an opportunity to be at the cutting edge of medicine. So I think it's a win-win situation for everyone.